Welcome to Big Baby Digital. This is a quick tutorial all about color correcting as quickly as possible. So let's get straight into it. I got some beautiful footage from an Indian wedding, which I love to do Indian weddings. But as you can see, the footage is way too yellow. And there's a concept in color correcting that's just basically called white balance, right? And you know your whites are balanced when your whites look white. So we're going to go to the color page, go to our color wheel. We're going to get the white balance with the color picker, the white balance color picker. Here it is. Click it right here. And what you want to do is find something that's supposed to be white in the scene. And if you take a look here, you'll see that this wall here is supposed to be white. We'll take the color picker and we'll go ahead and click on the white in the scene. And watch what happens. Voila! We have a more natural look. Look at the beautiful bride and her mom. So that's basically what it is. When you get started with color correction, the first thing you want to do is make sure that your whites are balanced. And sometimes I'll go in here and play with my levels, get my blacks down to 0, bring up my mids and my highlights in order just to have a wider graphic over here. But guys, this is just one part. Join me for lives. I will teach you, hold your hand, we'll give you the footage and we'll go through DaVinci and learn it together. Subscribe and let's get it. Peace.